May I come in, sir?
Please come.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Please sit.
Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let me start with your hobbies and your interests.
Yes, sir.
You said contemporary dance.
Yes, sir.
When we were younger, we knew only two kinds of dances, classical or folk. Now I think there are 50 varieties. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you name some?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are many dance forms like jazz, hip hop, and contemporary dance itself, and sir, ballet dancing, belly dancing. Yes, sir.
And now dancing and exercising also seem to be merging together.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
What's that called?
Sir, aerobics and gymnastics.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Because you're a student of anthropology, let's take part anthropology, part history, part sociology. Based on this, can you, in the Indian context, give me the evolution of dance as a form of entertainment?
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, there are classical dances in India, sir, which used to take place at a grand events, and for example, Kathak or Kathakali. They represent the stories from Mahabharata and Ramayanas. And sir, there are tribal dances in our country, for example, Kalbelia and Ghumar.
I'll ask you two questions here. Fine.
Yes, sir.
One is that we all know, anybody who has studied a bit of history knows that statue of a dancing girl, Indus Valley.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
With one hand on the waist, etc., etc. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you have seen a picture of that statue, what kind of dance does it indicate?
So there is a bending from three sides. So maybe Bharatanatyam, if I'm able to recollect that properly.
Yes. So what I'm saying is that do you think that classical dance forms might have originated from that time? Correct?
Yes, sir.
And you mentioned Kathak.
Yes, sir.
Kathak is regarded to be one classical dance with some Islamic influence. Are you aware of that?
Sorry, sir, not much aware of this.
Could you distinguish between a classical dance and a folk dance?
Yes, sir. Sir, classical dances are rule bound, whereas folk dances are not that much rule bound. Secondly, sir, in classical dances they were to celebrate grand events. For example, in the for the king celebration. And secondly, sir, these folk dances and tribal dances are used to celebrate the harvest festivals. They are mainly around the harvest festivals.
Dancing in India, classical dances.
Yes.
Is it almost entirely female centric or is it sort of gender equal?
Sir, in my opinion, classical dances they are gender equal, but there are some dances which are specific to women.
In India, can a young lady make dancing a career?
Yes, sir, because we have so many examples also. For example, Shakti Mohan ma'am, she is a contemporary dancer and she is a judge of many big reality shows also, and other also like Geeta Kapoor ma'am, etc. So,
would you have taken yoga as a career?
yes, sir. Sir, I see myself more as a yoga practitioner. I worked as a yoga teacher. But what makes me really happy is practicing yoga. So that's why I decided to practice yoga.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.